In this video, you'll learn how to buy Solana coins using Moonpay. By following these steps, you will successfully complete your purchase of Solana cryptocurrency through a straightforward process. Start by navigating to the Moonpay website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Moonpay. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface that features options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Buy. This button will direct you to the purchasing interface where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. After that, click on Buy Crypto. This option will take you to a page where you can choose the specific asset you want to purchase, including Solana. Once this appears, find the button labeled Select Asset and click on it. This action will present you with a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase through Moonpay. Continue by selecting popular tokens. This section usually highlights the most commonly traded cryptocurrencies, making it easier for you to find Solana. Next, click on the search bar. This will allow you to input the name of the cryptocurrency you intend to purchase. Type in Solana in the search field. The interface should automatically display suggestions as you type, helping you quickly locate the asset. Once Solana appears in the suggestions, click on it to select this cryptocurrency for purchase. This action will ensure that you are purchasing the correct asset. Now, input the amount of Solana you wish to buy. Ensure that you enter a valid amount based on your budget and the current market price. After entering the amount, click on Continue with Solana. This step will take you to the order confirmation screen where you will review your purchase details. Next, click on Confirm Order to finalize your order. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your order is being processed. Once you see the confirmation, click on Buy. This action will initiate the transaction and prepare you for payment. You will then click on Pay With. This will present you with various payment methods available for your transaction. Look for a message that says choose how to pay. This prompt will guide you to select your preferred payment method for the purchase. Click on Apple Pay if you wish to use this payment option. Alternatively, you can choose debit card or credit card, depending on your preference. If you select a card option, you will see a message displaying the total amount to pay. Review this amount to ensure it matches your expectations. Next, click on Deliver to specify where your purchased Solana should be sent. This is an important step to ensure you receive your coins correctly. Finally, click on Pay to complete the transaction. You should see a loading indicator or confirmation screen, which confirms that your payment is being processed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.